Hi, this is Lynne with My Tinker, and today we've got another project. We've got a sliding glass patio door that in the winter time is getting really sticky. And this morning when I went to open it, it would only open about this far and then would just jam, and you'd have to really try and work it, and that's not a good situation. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. You need a screwdriver and a couple other little tools and tricks, and stay with me. Let's get to it. Let's get it going. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that the rails are clean. Yeah, you want to make sure you get that cleaned out and all of the gunk that has accumulated over time out of there. Then the next thing I recommend is to put a little WD-40 on it. So a little lubricant to help guide that. And do that all along the track. But the most important thing is, depending on your weather changes, is to get the rollers to be the right height for the shifting of the temperatures. In wintertime for us, the temperatures make the door harder to open. At the bottom of the door, you're going to notice there are two screw caps. There's one here and one here. Rotate it to the left to take the cap off. Like this. And that will expose the adjuster in the bottom. Okay, once the cap is off, there's a slotted screw in here, and then you just turn it to the left. Could hear it turned one notch. It was really hard to do that the first time, so what I did, because this is an 8-foot opening, so this is a 4-foot door, is I just gently lifted up on the door, and that took the pressure off of the rollers, and then turn it. And that's it. You do it on both rollers. Well, there you have it. That door slides well now. Unlock, open, closed. We're in business. So hopefully you found that really easy. I did. A couple of screws, maybe a little leverage to help lift the weight off of the door. You're back in business. So please, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. That helps the channel grow. And I thank you for everyone who leaves a positive comment. That's really wonderful. And I hope to see you again soon in another video for My Tinker. Thanks again.